जानता तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन बहुत कुछ डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है महाराष्ट्र में. बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें हो रही है. एंड आफ्टर द इंडक्शन ऑफ द न्यू गवर्नमेंट, lot of relaxation is there regarding celebration of various festivals. And just now I am attending Nalbagha Raja, that immersion, which is the biggest event in Maharashtra, perhaps with 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh people attending the immersion ceremony. And Ganpati festival, as it is one of the largest event in Konkani as well. So it is the largest immigration in 3 or 4 days from Mumbai to Konkani and back.
Yes.
So right now we are busy with that, and lot of new things we are bringing in Maharashtra, especially for development of infrastructure. Maharashtra, as you know, is the financial capital of India. Especially Mumbai is the financial capital of India. The past glory of Maharashtra is to be restored, and so many infrastructural projects are in the pipeline, which includes Nagpur-Mumbai Expressway, which is more than, I don't really remember, but it must be more than 36,000 crore rupees. Then the TransLink Harbour project, which connects Mumbai to from Bhavasheva, it connects to Shivdi, and that is another big project, infrastructure project we are going to have. And then for the Goans, especially the Mumbai-Goa coastal highway, which is a very new project, and everybody was expecting that project to happen, which will help people reach Goa within 7 to 8 hours.
Correct.
This is in addition to the 4-lane highway that is currently, the work is currently going on, but that will be another major infrastructure project that is coming up. And regarding education, I am the education minister, so we are thinking of giving free notebooks along with the books, and the books will be divided into 3 parts. So naturally the weight that the students carry to their school will be reduced by 1/3. They will just carry 1 notebook. So that experiment is going on.